Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you 2 easy ways to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram using your iPhone. If you're ready to exit Vanish mode and return to regular chat, keep watching. There are 2 methods to accomplish this, so let's go through them one by one.
Opening the Instagram app. Head to your direct messages by tapping the messenger icon at the top right corner. Once you're in your messages, open the conversation that's currently in Vanish mode. You'll recognize it by the dark screen background.
The first and easiest way to turn off Vanish mode is by simply swiping up from the bottom of the chat screen. Watch as I do it here, just swipe up, and you'll see the screen return to its usual light background, which means Vanish mode is now off.
The second method is as follows.
If swiping up doesn't work, here's another method. Start by tapping the user's name and then click the privacy and safety option.
On this screen, you'll see a toggle for Vanish mode. Go ahead and tap the toggle to switch it off, and the chat will return to normal mode.
And that's it. Now you know 2 simple ways to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Whether you prefer to swipe up or use the toggle, both methods will get you back to regular chatting in no time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.